The magic two ingredients to weight loss. Fed up with hundreds of diet and weight loss plans? If yes, chances are you have tried a couple and none seem to work for you. That is awfully sad, but there is excellent news. You still stand a chance at getting your dream body if and only if you can keep up with a simple yet effective weight loss recipe. That is exactly what this is all about. If you have been dealing with fat and most especially belly fat, you would be happy to know that nature has got a gift for you. We are going to let you in on an all-natural amazing drink that would help you shed that belly fat even when you are sleeping. These recipes are very easy and produce results in no time. With just two ingredients, you can confidently say goodbye to that stubborn belly fat. Want to know what the drink does? Firstly, know that your metabolism works at a slow pace when you're sleeping. This poses a challenge to get rid of all the excess fat. However, that is about to change. By mixing and drinking honey and cinnamon, you would experience an improvement in your metabolism and much still burn all the excess belly fat even while asleep. Speaking of honey and cinnamon, and foremost, cinnamon improves upon the functioning of insulin in the body, which increases your chances of shedding that weight. It also prevents high sugar levels, which can trigger excess body fats and works well at stabilizing blood sugar levels while increasing glucose metabolism. On the other hand, honey is effective in burning body fat. It quickly gets rid of body fats by speeding up metabolism. Honey also prevents sugar rush and has a healthier glycemic index than sugar. Enough talk, let's get the booze right about now. Ingredients: 1 cup of filtered boiling water, 1 tablespoon of cinnamon, 2 tablespoons of organic honey. How to prepare? Add a tablespoon of cinnamon into a large cup. Get a cup of boiling water and then add to the cinnamon. Steep and allow for about 15 minutes to cool. Add 2 tablespoons of honey when cool. Easy peasy. Drink twice a day and wait for amazing results. Half a cup in the morning and before bed at night on an empty belly. Crucial. The best part of it all, regular intakes also boost energy levels and increase your sex drive. Give it a shot and you would get what you've always wanted.